Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog, okay? And another pimples. Ayan, meron akong pimples. I don't know why. At the age of 50, meron kang pimples. Magtataka ka nun. In love? How I wish na I'm in love. Well, for today's video, since it's a Good Friday here in Canada, pero dyan sa inyo, parang na dyan, Black Saturday, I guess. Yeah, and still, pinapractice ko pa rin naman yung traditional way ng Semana Santa dyan sa atin, which is yung bisita iglesia. A little bit discussion about that, but before we move on, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. And thank you very much for your support sa aking YouTube video. Okay, let's talk about a little bit about the Visita Iglesia. Kasi I guess Visita Iglesia, we tend to visit 7 churches. Yung iba, ang ginagamit na prayers doon is yung Way of the Cross. And others naman is yung ginagamit nila yung talagang prayer for Visita Iglesia. I'm not saying naman na mali yun, pero I guess may iba't iba naman tayong preference about prayers for Visita Iglesia, kasi mostly ang nakikita ko na mga tao, ang ginagawa nila is yung Way of the Cross. Okay, but they say, quote and quote, ang may daw talaga, may prayer for Visita Iglesia. Yun yung parang I'll show it to you, pero parang siya, parang 7 churches lang, meron siyang particular na prayer for that. Okay, since na hindi ako sinipot nung kasama ko, ako na lang ang pupunta, ako na lang magta-travel, so magbabas tayo. Ako lang pala yung magbabas. Okay, so let's see. So since hindi pa naman dumadating yung bus, dito muna, upo muna ako dito sa aking garden. Garden. Hindi, dito yan sa sa may condo. Yung pinaka garden nila dito sa likod. Okay? Again, I'm not saying na mali yung form of prayers ng mga tao natin, ng mga tao. It's kumbaga, I respect yung decision nila na ang gamitin nilang prayers for the Visita Iglesia in Way of the Cross. As I remember, ako din naman, ginawa ko din yun before. Kumbaga, sa Way of the Cross, 14 stations. So since na 7, each church ang dinadasal or ang nire-recite is yung 2 stations. Okay lang yun, walang problema. Alam ko na yung discussion about it medyo magiging mahaba. And there's no right and wrong naman when it comes to how we praise the Lord. It depends lang sa preference natin, and I respect that. Okay? Yun, dito sa Canada, hindi katulad dyan sa atin sa Philippines na talagang sobra yung pagpa-practice ng Semana Santa, to the point na diyan merong pabasa, prosesyon, may mga bisita iglesia, merong may mga pamahian and all. Dito sa Vancouver, dito sa Canada, walang ganyanan. Parang hindi ako nakakaalam, or hindi ko alam kung meron ditong procession during every Good Friday. Ayun. Pero I heard sa Joyce, meron daw, pero I'm not sure talaga. Pero so far, wala akong alam na merong procession dito. And for sure, yung pabasa, it's only dyan sa atin sa Philippines. And I guess yung procession sa Spain, ginagamit din or ginagawa din doon. So I really miss that kind of sa paggugunita nga, sabi, sa paghihirap ni Kristo. So yun. So I guess tignan natin, baka padating na yung bus ko. Yung bus. na sasakyan ko. Hindi ko palabas. Hindi ako pagmamay-ari. Okay? So, ang ating first church for our Visita Iglesia is the St. Joseph, the Worker, here in Richmond. Ay, napakalamig naman dito buti na lang ako ay nagsuot ng malatupa kong jacket, napapanahon sa Holy Week. So nandito na tayo sa second church natin. Yan, tapos na tayo dito sa acting second church. Medyo dito lang tayo nag-pray outside the church kasi sarado sila, diba? So we're gonna proceed now doon sa third na church here pa rin in Richmond. By the way, nandito tayo sa Eastern Catholic Church. I don't know the reason kung bakit sila sarado during Friday, Holy Friday. Probably later magbubukas sila. So yan, done na tayo with our third church. We are going to proceed now to our fourth church naman. As you can see inside the church, nagpa-practice sila. I still remember nung nasa may St. Andrew's Parish Church pa lang yun dati. Ngayon ay cathedral na siya. Every Friday morning, nagre-rehearsal kami for our service. Kasi way back then, I'm an altar server. So, again, kita nyo, hindi ganun ka-busy ang mga simbahan dito. So, let's see doon sa susunod na simbahan kung maraming tao o maraming nagpe-prepare. And also, I guess, malaking difference because hindi naman Catholic country ang Canada. So, hindi naman ako nag-expect ng anything more. I guess yung mga Pilipino usually nagbibisita iglesia. So, let's go and proceed doon sa fourth church natin. So I'm done now with my fourth church dito sa St. Monica Parish. Madaming tao sa loob kanina, and then mostly ang nakikita ko puro mga Filipino Canadian, and pinapractice pa rin nila yung Semana Santa. So makikita ninyo may long line, may line up. I guess sa confession yun, may confession. Okay, and right now we're gonna go to my fifth church. Yeah, so this is my fifth church. It's St. Mary's Catholic Church here in Joyce. As you can see, ang daming mga Filipino, mostly kasi Filipino community dito sa Joyce, dito sa Vancouver, and also may mga religious practices din sila. So, talagang pinapractice nila dito yung Semana Santa. I don't know if meron procession dito, pero so far I know wala naman. So let's go na to my sixth church. So luckily naman bukas yung simbahan. Nakapag-pray tayo. Oops. And then also wala rin masyadong tao. Same thing, but still okay naman. So right now pupunta naman tayo sa seventh church natin. So guys, this will be my last church from my Bisita Iglesia. Nabubulol, nagugutom na kasi ako. We just came from the Cathedral of the Holy Rosary here in downtown Vancouver. So ito yung pinaka pang 7th church natin for today's video. So right now yun, nagugutom na ako. Probably hindi ko alam kung saan ako kakain. Let's see. So sabi nila pag Holy Week or Good Friday, bawal ang pork, bawal ang beef, bawal ang chicken. So I'm so happy today dahil nandito ako sa ako na may sumusunod lamang sa pinag-uutos. But imagine, bumalik ako dito. So it means masarap yung food nila dito talaga. It's 4.5 sa akin. Not because Holy Week, but I like their food. It's very crunchy, it's very tasteful. Hindi maalat, hindi matamis. You can never get wrong kapag Japanese restaurant talaga. Pero well, they say it depends on the restaurant itself. But this is very recommendable for me. Itong tendon kuhaku dito sa may downtown Vancouver. Still the same, in order ko yung tendon kuhaku na set naman siya na meron ng salad, soup, and the main dish itself.
So